Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reach the service position or wiper change position on your Audi A4 or S4 Avant. Digital style, baby. We're the multimedia interface. We can use the MMI to switch the service position on or off on the infotainment system. That's easy peasy, baby, because this is so comfortable. You do not have to perform like a switch on, switch off, and take this lever over there and something else. The only thing is you have to operate in the multimedia interface. To use the multimedia interface, of course, we can use the joystick to go right, up, down, and enter by pushing the knob and something else. We switch the windscreen wipers off. Then we are going to select the menu button and we reach the car setting because that's a car function. The car is in the upper position on the setup area. Then left control button, servicing and checks. After this, we're going to look or search the wiper change position. The wiper change position you can choose now, and there is a checkbox, and this checkbox can help you to reach that wiper change position, of course. If you now push the button down, that means you have to enter this wiper change position. Then the wipers will automatically go to the service position, as you can see. We take off the wiper blades, lift the wiper arm away from the glass after this, then we have to release the button and we can change, for example, the blades, for example. To get out of this, we can remove the checkbox out of the MMI and the service position is disabled. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.